Another loss, not a success. A few months ago, I deleted my main mobile number. I had changed the number with many providers, but I also forgotten many of them. Now I have to recover some very old accounts with the help of support. A conversation with support is very time consuming and not good for privacy. This is, a hard lesson. So I'm sorry that you had to suffer this lesson. For any of you out there, don't delete things when you think you've transitioned off of them. It doesn't matter how much you want to. I know it feels good to click delete. I know you want to click delete on your Facebook account. I know you want to click delete on your Google account. I know you want to click delete on an old phone number. I know, but I've made the mistake as well. I remember when I deleted my Amazon account, I then discovered afterwards that all of my ebooks back in the day, this is like 10 plus years ago, were all part of the Amazon ecosystem, and there was no way to download them. And so yeah, I had to repurchase all my books. So yes, when you are trying to transition off of some big tech platform to a non-big tech platform, whether it's Google to Proton, whether it's Amazon to Calibre, whether it's a phone number to a new one, Google Voice, whatever, transition first, migrate to the new service, and then just log out of the old one. Don't touch it, don't delete it, just log out, and then just set a timeline, maybe 6 months. And then after 6 months, then you can delete it. Set these transition periods, right? Like it's actually, I know it's a dark pattern when the companies do it because the companies are like, we'll delete your account in 45 days. That's a dark pattern. But you intentionally choosing to do it is intelligent and mature and smart because otherwise it can cause a lot of headaches. It's something that I've been burned on myself a lot. So I'm sharing this because I've done it. Janelle's done it. And I'm sure a lot of you listening to this have done it where, yeah, you delete something that shouldn't have been deleted. Yeah. And it's easy to get impatient. There's a study where if you wait for a cookie, you get more than one cookie. That's this. You'll get more than one cookie if you just wait.